Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter fractions and mixed numbers. The lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are compare fractions word problems and fractions and mixed numbers review. Then we'll start the new chapter that is add and subtract fractions, and the lessons are inequalities with addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions, and add and subtract mixed numbers. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is compare fractions word problems. So here I'm on grade 6 maths. We're going to start with the chapter fractions and mixed numbers. Here is the lesson we're going to start, compare fractions word problems. So let's just start. Let me just read the question, just listen to me carefully. Vincent's Diner served two-thirds of its meal within half an hour. Super Grillers served one-tenth of its meal within half an hour. Which restaurant served a greater fraction of meals within half an hour? So basically you have to compare 2 by 3 and 1 by 10. Got it? Just convert them to the decimals. 2 by 3 equals 0.66 and 1 by 10 equals 0.1. So when you have to compare, then 6 when you have to convert them to the percentages, one of them is 66.66%, the other one is 10%. That means obviously 66% is greater than 10. So that means 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 10. Got it? So which restaurant 2 by 3 is Vincent? That means Vincent diners are serving greater fraction of meals than the super grillers. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions so that we can do more practice questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself later today. Okay, so far Ella has completed one half of her research assignment. Veera has finished 1/6 of her research assignment. Who has finished a greater fraction of her research assignment? So Ella completed half and Veera did 1/6. Let's just see how 1 by 2 equals 0.5 and 1/6 equals 1 by 2 equals, yes, 1 by 2 equals 0.5 and 1 by 6 equals 0.1 something. 1 divided by 6, 0.16. Got it? Just convert them into percentages. It would be 50% and it would be just 16%. So who did greater? Yes, obviously Ella did, because Ella did half. So it would be Ella did 50% assignment. Got it? Very good, Evangeline. Okay, the next one is recently half of the items sold at Whitney's Sporting Goods were baseball caps. At Megan Sports, 1/4 of the items sold were baseball caps. So which store sold a greater fraction of baseball cap? So half of the items means 50% items, and 1/4 of the items means 25% of the items. So who sold greater fraction of baseball caps? Yes, Whitney's Sporting Goods. Option number 1 is the correct option. Whitney's sporting groups goods sold 50% of the items. Got it? So they have the greater fraction. Got it? Okay, at Bally's farm, 1/10 of the animals are pigs. At Anita's ranch, 9/10 of the animals are pigs. At which farm are a greater fraction of the animal pigs? So 1 out of 10 means you have the total 10 animals and just one is pig. Got it? And 9 out of 10 means you have total 10 animals and 9 animals are pig. So which fraction is greater? 9 by 10 is greater than 1 by 10. Got it? That means Anita's ranch has more pigs. Got it? The second option is the correct option. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, yesterday half of the flights at Adams Country Airport were delayed. At Monroe Country Airport, 9/10 of the flights were delayed. Which airport has a higher fraction of delayed flights? Half of the flights means 50% flights. Got it? And 9 out of 10 flights means 90% of the flights. So which airport had a higher fraction of delayed flights? The Monroe Country Airport. Got it? Yes, the second option is the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Cali's baseball team has won 5/6 of its games, while Abe's baseball team has won 1/5 of its game. Whose team has won a greater fraction of its game? So, which is the correct option? 5 out of 6. The total matches are 6. They won 5. And 1 5 means the total matches are 5. They just won 1. So obviously 5/6 is greater. Got it? So Cali's team won greater fraction of games. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. It would be Cali's team. Got it? Vincent Diner served two-thirds of its meal within half an hour. Super Griller served 1/10 of its meal within half an hour. Which restaurant served a greater fraction of meals within half an hour? Two-thirds means the total meals are 3 and 2 are served in half an hour. 1 out of 10 means if the total orders are 10, just 1 served in half an hour. So that means which has the greater fraction? Yes, that means two-thirds is the greater. Got it? Vincent Diners has a greater fraction of meals within half an hour. Got it? It would be Vincent's Diner. Okay, the next one is Rosa visited three-fourths of her favorite websites. Julie visited four-ninths of her favorite websites. Who visited a greater fraction of her favorite websites? Which is the correct option? Three out of four is the greater fraction than 4 out of 9. Got it? That means the correct option is one. Rosa visited more website. Got it? Rosa is the correct option. Very good. By dinner time, Ken had two-thirds of the questions from his history homework. His friend Brace has finished two-sevenths of the questions from his homework. Who had finished a greater fraction of his questions, which is the correct option? Yes, two-thirds means the total questions are 3. He did 2. Got it? So two-thirds is obviously more than two-sevenths. Got it? So Ken did greater fraction of questions. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is fractions and mixed numbers review. That is just a review of the chapter. So let's just do a quick review of the chapter. What fraction of the stars are orange? How many total stars? 5 stars are total. Got it? The total stars are 5, and out of the 5, 4 of them are orange. So it would be 4 out of 5. Got it? That would be 4 out of 5. What fraction does the number line shows? Which is the correct option? You have between 0 and 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segments. Got it? So the second one is colored. It would be 2 over 5. Got it? Okay, what fractions of these spheres are purple? So the total spheres are 10, and out of the 10, 5 of them are purple. 5 out of 10 are purple. Got it? That means half of them are purple. 5 are purple and 5 are green. So half of them are purple and half of them are green. Got it? 5 by 10 is equivalent to half. Got it? Okay, hat fraction of the ducks are blue. What fraction of the ducks are blue? So the total ducks are 10. Out of the 10, 3 are blue. So it would be 3 out of 10. Got it? It would be 3 out of 10. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. What fraction of the triangle prisms are purple? So which is the correct option? 2 out of 3 are purple. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. 2 out of 3 are purple. That means the correct option is option number 1. Okay, what does the number line show? So between 0 and 1, how many segments do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 segments. And the first one has the colored. Got it? That means 1 out of 4 is the fraction that is shown on the number line is 1 out of 4. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 4. What fraction does the number line show? Which is the correct option? 2/5 or 5/8? The total, yes, that would be 2 over 5. What fractions does the number line show? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 1 by 2. Got it? You have the two segments, and out of the first one is the colored, it would be 1 over 2. What fraction of the tubs are orange? Yes, 1 over 3 are. Out of 3, just 1 is orange. So it would be 1 out of 3. Got it? Very good. What fraction of the teapots are green? Six of them are green, isn't it? Yes, that would be 6 out of 10 or 3 out of 5. Got it? When you convert it into simple form, you can divide them by 2. So it would be either 6 by 10 or either 3 over 5. Got it? So correct option is option number 1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What fraction of the teapots are red? So which is the correct option? Two of them are red. 2 out of 10. Got it? The total are 10. It would be 2 out of 10. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What fraction of the spheres are blue? Just one of them is blue. Got it? It would be 1 out of. Yes, 1 out of 4 are blue. Got it? What fraction of the hats are blue? Yes, 3 out of 4 are blue. Got it? Total are 4. 3 of them are blue, so it would be 3 out of 4. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. It is 3 over 4. Okay, what fraction does the number line show? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 3. Got it? The 3 segments, the total segments are 3, just 1 out of 3. What fraction does the number line show? Which is the correct option? It would be 3 out of 4. Got it? The correct option is 3 out of 4. What fraction of does the number line show? It would be 2 out of 3. What fraction of the bags are red? Is 3 out of 5 are red. Got it? What fraction the number line? What fraction does the number line show? Which is the correct option? The total segments are 10. So that represents half, 1 by 2 or 5 out of 10. Got it? Okay, what fraction does the number line show? Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 3 out of 5. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1. What fraction of stars are orange? Yes, 4 out of 5 are orange. Got it? So the correct option is 4 out of 5. What fraction does the number line show? It would be, yes, it would be 2 over 4. Got it? The correct option is 1 over 2 or 2 over 4. What fraction of the spheres are purple? Yes, it would be 5 over 10 or 1 over 2. Got it? Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. We're going to start the new chapter. We are just left with the final test of the chapter, so you have to do the final test on your own. You can't start the final test until all of the tests are completed. Got it? So let's just start with the new chapter. I can't start the final test because all of the lessons are in progress. Got it? That means I haven't completed the test of these lessons. Got it? So you can complete the test and then do the final test on your own. Let's just start with a new lesson, that is chapter, that is add and subtract fractions. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is add and subtract inequalities with addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. So more questions on the lesson is moved to the next grade. Let's see if we have something on the test. Which sign makes the statement true? 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. You have to compare. So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Basically, you need to, both of the fractions are like fractions, got it? Because they have the same denominator. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, they are the like fractions, got it? How like fractions? They have the same denominator, got it? When the fractions have same denominator, adding or subtracting is very easy. You simply have to add or subtract the numerators, got it? They have the same numerator, denominator, just subtract the numerators. 2 minus 5 is 1 over 5, got it? So when we solve these fraction, the answer is 1 over 5. That means 1 over 5 equals 1 over 5, got it? So they are equal, got it? Okay, the lesson is moved to the next grade, got it? Find the practice questions in your notebook and do the practice questions as many as you can. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is add and subtract mixed numbers. Okay, add, simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. Let me just write it down on the board. 1 whole, 1 over 4 plus 3 whole, 1 over 4. Okay, 1 whole, 1 over 4 plus 3 whole, 1 over 4. I think 3 whole. Okay, see, both of them have the same fraction, 1 over 4, 1 over 4. Got it? In case when you both of the numbers have same fraction, simply add their whole numbers. Got it? Here is the whole number, 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 makes 4. It would be 4 whole, 1 over 4. Got it? So the correct option is 4 whole, 1 over 4. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to the, sorry, not 4 whole, 1 over 4. 3 and 1, 4, and you have to add 1 plus 1. It would be 4 whole, 2 over 4. Got it? And you can divide this fraction by 2. It would be then 2 times 1 is 2 and 2, so it would be 4 whole, 1 over 2. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 8 whole 6 over 7 minus. Basically, I skipped one step. Let's just do the step. 8 whole 6 over 7 minus 4 whole 4 over 7. Let's just separate their whole numbers. It would be 8 minus 4, and the fractions have 6 over 7 minus 4 over 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is, because they have the like denominator, you simply have to subtract their numerator. It would be 4 whole 3 over 7. Got it? Sorry, 2. 6 minus 4 is 2, so it would be 4 whole 2 over 7. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is 4 whole 2 over 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is 3 whole 1 over 9. 3 whole 1 over 9 plus 10 whole 2 over 9. Okay, just separate their whole numbers. It would be 3 plus 10. And just separate their fractions, 1 over 9 plus 2 over 9. So it would be 13. They have the like denominator, simply add 13 whole 3 over 9. So for the fractions, we can divide it by 3 because we have a common denominator. Common number, that is 3. Just divide them by the 3. So it would be 13 whole 1 over 3. Got it? The correct option is 13 whole 1 over 3. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. What happened? No one is answering. I don't think so. They are difficult. So if you have any question, you can ask. Okay. Okay, the next one is 13 whole 2 by 11. Minus 9 whole 5 over 11. Got it? Let's just subtract. 13 whole 2 over 11. No one is answering. Why? 13 whole 2 over 11 minus 9 whole 5 over 11. Subtract the whole numbers separately and the fractions. But we can't subtract 2 out of 5. Got it? Mm, basically, why you don't understand? They are very easy. Okay, just listen to me carefully. 13 whole 2 over 11. You haven't asked the question. 9 whole 5 over 11. They have the same denominators, but we can't subtract their fractions because we can't do 2 minus 5. 2 is smaller than 5. You need to make this number greater than 5. Got it? So we can break down the 13 as 12 plus 1. Got it? It would be 2 over 11. Now we can write the 1 as 11 over 11. Got it? Because 11 over 11 equals 1. Got it? So it would be 12 plus 11 over 11 plus 2 over 11. Got it? Now we're going to add these two fractions. It would be 12 whole, 11 plus 2 is 13 over 11. Got it? Now you can see 13 is greater than 5. You can subtract now. Got it? So 12 minus 9 is 3 and 13 minus 5 is 8. So it would be 3 whole 8 over 11. Got it? Basically, we are subtracting the whole numbers separately and there, because basically we are we are subtracting these fractions without converting into I forgot the name. Um, like we are not I forgot the name. Okay, so you have to subtract the whole number separately and the fractions separately. But for this one, you can't subtract 2 out of 5 because 2 is smaller than 5. You need to make this denominator greater than 5. Got it? Because we always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So what I did, I have written 13 as 12 plus 1 because 12 plus 1 makes 13. Then for 1, because here you have the denominator 11, I have written 1 as 11 over 11. 11 plus 2 makes 13. Now 13 is greater than 5. You can subtract now. So subtract the whole number. 12 minus 9 is 3 and 13 minus 5 8. 8, so it would be 3 whole 8 over 11. The correct option is 3 whole 8 over 11. Okay, the next one is 5 whole 3 by 8 and plus 2 whole 3 over 8. 5 whole 3 over 8 and plus 2 whole 3 over 8. Just add their whole numbers separately. It would be 5 plus 2 and add their fractions separately. They have the like denominators. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8, 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it would be 7 whole 6 over 8. Also, we have a common, yes, very good. That would be 7 whole 3 by 4. Got it? It would be 7 whole 3 by 4. The correct option is 7 whole 3 over 4. Okay, the next one is 3 whole 2 by 3 and plus 10 whole through 2 by 3. So which is the correct option? 10 plus 3 is 13. 2 plus 2 is 4. It would be it would be 13 whole 4 over 3, not 1 over 3. It would be the correct option is 13 whole 4 over 3. 2 plus 2 makes 4. So the correct option is 15 whole 1 over 3. How? Oh, it is 14 whole 1 over 3. Let me explain how. 3 whole 2 over 3 and plus 10 whole 2 over 3. When you add 2 plus 2, it makes 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is not possible. How do you write 4 out of 3? Got it? Numerator must be greater than denominator. Numerator must be smaller than denominator. Got it? So 10 plus 3 is 13. Now for the 4 over 3, I'm going to write it as 1 plus 3. Got it? 1 plus 3 makes 4. So when you write it down, it would be 1 over 3 and plus 3 over 3. 3 over 3 makes 1. Got it? So it would be 13 plus 1 plus 1 over 3. 13 plus 1 makes 14. 14 whole 1 over 3. Got it? Yes, so you need to add 1 to the whole number. So it would be 14 whole 1 over 3. Got it, everyone? It would be 14 whole 1 over 3. The correct option is 14 whole 1 over 3. Okay, the next one is 8 whole 3 over 4 plus 7 whole 3 over 4. They are the same like this question we just did. So let's just do it. 8 whole 3 over 4, 7 whole 3 over 4. Just look at 3 plus 3 makes 6. We can't write 6 out of 4. Got it? So we need to break down 6 as 4 plus 2 because 4 plus 2 makes 6. It would be 4 over 4 and plus 2 over 4. And we can write 4 over 4 as 1. Got it? So add 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 makes 15. And for 3 over 4, 3 over 4, we did 1 plus 2 over 4. Got it? It would be 15. 15 plus 1 plus 2 over 4. It would be 16 whole 2 over 4. And we can divide 2 over 4 by 2. So it will be 16 whole 1 over 2. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is 16 whole 1 over 2. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, which is the correct option? 13 whole 7 over 10 and 4 whole 1 over 10. The correct option is 7 whole 4 over 5. Got it? 7 plus 1 is 8. So we can divide 8 by 10 by 2. It would be 7 whole 4 over 5. Okay, 8 whole 2 over 5 minus 8 whole 2 over 5 minus 3 whole 3 over 5. Got it? Again, the same thing. You can't subtract 2 out of 3. Got it? Because 2 is smaller than 3. So we need to break down 8 as 7 plus 1. And I'm going to write the 1 as 5 over 5. It would be 7 plus 5 over 5 plus 2 over 5 minus 3 whole 3 over 5. So it would be 7 whole 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 over 5. Now we can subtract 7 out of 3. Got it? 7 out of 3 makes 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. So it would be 7 whole 4, 4 whole 4 over 7. Got it? Correct option is 4 whole 4 over 7. 4 whole 4 over 5, sorry. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So we're working on grade 6 maths. Lessons we have covered from the chapter fractions and mixed numbers are compare fractions, word problems, fractions and mixed number review. Then we have started a new chapter that is add and subtract fractions, and the lessons we have covered are inequalities with addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions, and add and subtract mixed numbers. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.